In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put button links on your Steam bio. This is a great way to customize your profile and make it more engaging. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Steam app. If you're not familiar, this is a desktop application that gives you access to all of your Steam games, community features, and of course your account details. If you don't have it installed, head to Steam's official website and download the client first. Now that you have Steam open, the next step is to click on Login. Look towards the top right corner of your Steam application. You'll see a login button there. If you're already logged in, you might not see this option right away, but don't worry, just make sure you're logged in and you're good to go. Once you initiate the login process, you'll need to enter your account name and password. As always, it's important to ensure your credentials remain secure, so consider using a password manager if you have trouble remembering your password. Keeping this information secure is crucial for protecting your account. After you've entered your details, click on the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your Steam homepage where you can access a variety of features. It's the central hub for your Steam activities, showing you game updates, friend activities, and more. Now take a moment to ensure everything looks right, confirming you're indeed logged in successfully. With everything in place, you'll want to navigate over to your profile. Locate your profile name, which is typically found near the top of the application window. Click on your profile name to bring up more options. You'll see a drop-down menu where you should select View My Profile. This is the section where you can edit and personalize your details. Once you're on your profile page, the next move is to click on Edit Profile. This will allow you to change various aspects of your presentation on Steam. You'll be led to a page with several editable options. What we're focused on here is adding button links to your bio, which is a neat feature for sharing links with other users. Within the editing options, navigate to the Custom URL section. This part allows you to create a unique URL for your profile, which can be helpful for making your profile more accessible to friends and other users. Enter a memorable custom URL and ensure it's unique to you. Finally, add your URL where necessary. This part is crucial for creating the button links in your Steam bio. Input the URL links you want, ensuring they are correct and active, so users who click them can easily reach the intended sites without any hiccups. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added button links to your Steam bio. This little customization can make a big difference in how you present yourself on the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.